Hi, this is Dudung Ditun and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm on my way to Samsung Galaxy Store. Samsung Store. And I got to pick up my new phone. It's the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. This is not to brag, but I just want to document because of this new hype and beast phone from Samsung. Later on, mga kadito natik, samahan niyo ako sa pag-pick up atong bagong new phone. So mga kadito natiks na ako sa Samsung, as you can see here, and I am not quite sure if nandiyan na ang Samsung sa I think for appliance siguro to. Let's see. I think dili mo. May sasang Samsung mobile niyo, miss? Sa Pikas? Nasa Pikas daw. Sorry. Nasayop ko. Nasa Pikas daw. Dito ba sa dulo, miss? Straight lang. Ay, murag nasayop ko, guys. I think ang Samsung mobile nasa Pikas. And finally, nana ko sa Samsung. Yes. And I'm here. Good morning. Ay, good afternoon naman siguro. So I'm here now. Kuya, I'm looking for the S22 Ultra. What's your name mo, Kuya? Ronaldo. So this is the phone. There you go. May available color any?
Yes sir, we have all colors. Burgundy red, green, white, and black. Yes ma'am,
So this is the phone. Yung base ninyo na po 128.
128 gig for 6899.
Ang 256 niyo.
7299.
Hi. Oo. Ako na nga. So this is the phone. Yeah. Yes. Actually, this is the Fold 3, but I already have the Fold 3. So, yeah. Ito na yon. But the thing is, this is what I want and this is what I like.
Then automatic po kung ilisan mo.
Yes. This one. Wala lagi siya pen, sir.
This one sir.
Ay, gi-separate ang pen. Okay, mahal sila ang pen.
So the pen.
So this is the pen. Okay. Now Samsung. And that is the phone that I like. Yeah. Because previously I have this. No, currently I have this. Actually. Here it is. But the thing is, this is the new beast phone released by Samsung. Kano sa gano'n siya gi-release, sir? May pa?
April. Cancer, nag-order nga to March.
March. Ano siya name mo, ma'am?
Hi sir, great Samsung morning. My name is Jen. Samsung promoter diri sir. Galaxy Sales Warrior sa Park Mall. Hi, shoutout sa mong BWL nga nagparit tao ni Sir Jason.
So guys, just in case you want to buy Samsung mobiles and accessories and gadgets, here's the perfect store for you. Yeah. Samsung in Park Mall. Yes. So this is the store. Yeah. And this is the tablets. And yeah. Meron silang mga case dire. And see. And this will be the one who will entertain you guys. Very entertaining sila diri sa Samsung, so you don't have to worry. So which color guys? Unsay color na dear? Green?
Phantom green.
Phantom green.
Phantom white.
The phantom white.
What's
And the phantom black.
Burgundy.
The burgundy. Lo, the issue.
5 Pro, but siya 5 lang.
Yeah.
5.
So which is which? Hi! Libog! So guys, I finally decided to go for the...
Green suit. Nice.
For me ha.
Pindot man siya, pero I think mas impacting ang
Burgundy.
burgundy. Yes, para siyang Qatar Airways in color. Char! So yeah, so I'll go for the burgundy 256. But I just need to make sure 5G na yan ah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5G
Legit
na.
5G.
5G na. So yeah. So ang ginagawa ni Madam kay...
Pinakuan ko sa details para matransact na nato.
Yes.
And then, transfer. Unsay natin?
Yes, transfer all the data from the new phone. Thank you.
So, ang kato imong kuan mo.
So, this is the unit, the color that I chose.
Yan, kani imong i-trade in.
Yes. Yeah, this is purple. And they said that it has an ultimate video and camera nightography and new level of power plus. I am not really sure what is that new level of power plus. However, thing is, what is nice is that it has the fastest chip ever, 4 nano, and with an S Pen. So, wala ni Note series. This is because they fuse it together with the S Pen, so phase out na yung Note. And yeah, and it's already 5G. As you can see here, this is the phone. It's nice about the Fold 4, ma'am. It's, as you can see here, it's mas bugat mong good siya, ma'am. Mo say reason nga nung ni swap na lang ko sa S22 is just because although it's nice kay innovative siya, kay fold siya, ma-feel ni mo mas gaan gud na siya. Mas gaan siya. And I think ang chip ani is different from the chip sa kapaspas ma'am na Fold 4.
Same sila chipset ni S22 ma'am. Ang latest chipset karon nakatawag.
Yes.
Snapdragon Plus Generation 1.
8G1. Sige ma'am, walang problema. So nag-explain na ako. But the thing is ma'am, depende na sa what matter sa inyo ha. Kaya kung mas mahalaga sa inyo is the compact one, I don't find it really compact for me. Kay inigsulod nimo siya sa imong bulsa ma'am, parang bulky ra sa kayo gihapon bisag ma-fold siya in half. However, compared to the usual cell phone that we have, it's mas convenient siya and mas handy siya kanang hawiran bitaw.
Ano siya ma'am? Depende sa inyo ma'am.
Depende sa what matters, pero na-entice ko ani sa una pag pre-order kay full lagi ma'am no. Kay hilason ba yata, bala pobre basta hilas. Mo na. So kadugayan mo wala pa ganito nag 1 year ako pero paggawa sa Fold, nindot man siya ma'am kay gaan. Pero can you see the difference? Marang wala jud nimo ma-identify unless the color. Color lang and mas gaan lang siya.
Mas lighter siya grams.
Mas gaan lang siya.
True.
Kaya lang ma'am kay ang ako ay kay magani kanang hilason lagi ta. Inig dili man not all the time mag-text ko inani. So like me, labo kog mata ma'am, 500 akong astigmatism. So if I'm gonna use this phone as Fold, like say for example mag-message ko diri ma'am.
Gamay kay siya screen.
No, may kay siya screen.
Message.
Here. Say for example mo reply ko.
Pwede naman siya padang sir?
Pwede man pero ang area ma'am sa pag-type, di mo maglisod ko.
Wala nag-switch.
Maglisod nga switch ko ato.
Sa ato ko mo ana.
Yes, para at least mas klaro sa inyo ha. Ana,
Pero
diya ka mag-reply. Pero again, as you can see ma'am, no? Mag 2 hands gud ka.
Right, that's true.
Mag 2 hands. So, not unless compared kung mo gamit ka anina na phone ma'am, mas convenient siya mag-text. Kay 100 ba yan?
One hand. Ano ma'am? Ikaw ma'am, sa imo.
Depende sa inyo what matters.
Kung
mag-texting while driving.
True.
Mag-anak lagi ko niya kung kani duha.
Sakto.
Mamira niya, especially katong giingon ni sir na gamay siya, damor di sa kukita.
Damor di ka kita. So, mo gani nainganyo ko ani is because kay ma-fold ko no hay. Again.
Lang siya for movie.
True, kay mo siya pablet.
Diba? Mag-anak na lang siya.
But not all the time mo tanaw ba ya sa phone ng movie, ma'am? Kay we have TV ba ya sa balay?
Lagi, tinuod.
Di ba? Which is better screen. So, mao to siya. Di ba nag-promote ko?
So now, unboxing our Galaxy S22 Ultra 200 gig burgundy. Still used here.
Ikaw na lang, tingnan naman nito.
Sige. So, unbox na ta? Okay.
New phone!
Okay. So, here's Lara. Inside the box, sir, we have the unit. This one is the burgundy. And also, we have the cord.
Panundot? Ang dakilang panundot?
Yes, the push pin. Ang pinaka-importante. So, cord niya, sir, C-type na siya.
Type C to
Type
Type C.
C, yes.
Okay.
Type C. And then, let's turn it on.
Turn it on!
Okay. Huwag duot. Okay. So, while waiting,
Dito.
start. Okay. Turning on.
Sige, unboxing niya. Yay!
So, we need to connect in the internet, sir. Ano, bonus password diri. Connect. And so, more restart siya, sir, ha?
Copy.
Nga na, more start siya. Okay. So, let's wait until mo on siya balik.
So right now, they're transferring all the data from the Fold 3
From the old phone
to the S22.
Receive, send.
Awesome.
16%. We need to charge, sir. Wait for a while, sir. Let's do the smart switch.
Yes.
Yeah. So, this one would be the receive. This one send.
Receiver, sender. Okay.
Sender, yes.
Okay, mo man ang old. Ay, di wow. Yes.
Lah, nag-update siya.
Transferring. Sige, pag ako'y bahala sa video. Yun ako.
Okay. Sige,
Ikaw
sir.
ang model.
Hack, eh. Okay. Sir, thank you for choosing Samsung. If you have any concern, you can directly contact me. Visit us here at Samsung Park Mall. Thank you, sir. Have a great Samsung day.
Bye. So, I finally got the new phone, the S22 Ultra, and so far, customer service experience, very nice, very entertaining, very patient. Although, kahit na walang stock na available dun sa store, she was able to find ways to get the color that I wanted from another store. And it took a while, but however, hindi naman siya ganun ka-hassle. But the good thing is that while waiting for the stock that I want, I mean the color that I want, nakahilin ko. Nakabaligya pa ko yung A73 ug isa pang S22 Ultra. Dapat meron kayong meron kayong sa akin meron kayong incentive sa akin. Nag-sales stock ako Nakabenta ako dalawang phone. Well, anyhow, so far so good. Customer service experience, very nice, especially with Miss Jen. So just in case you have, you want to buy a Samsung phone, please don't hesitate to drop by sa Samsung store sa Park Mall. And I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me. Once again, this is Dudong dito na nag-iwan ng kasabihang. Stay safe and always stay awesome. Bye!